Hey guys, Raj Sangha of Cardi Security. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, we are at Porsche here in Reading. That can only mean one thing, GT3 collection day. Let's get into it. So we were here 4 or 5 months ago, speccing the car. It's been a long journey and the car was delayed, but you know what, I'm just so chuffed that I got allocation of the GT3. So we are here. It is collection day. Is this mine? It's not mine. Lovely shark blue 992 GT3. Mine's not blue. I'll show you the color of mine, come on. There's a bit of a mess in the showroom at the moment because it's been refurbished. And in fact, if I'd waited a week, maybe 2 weeks, I could have had handover in the new showroom, but obviously I'm an eager beaver and I don't want to wait anymore. So check this out, guys. We have David Churchill.
Good morning, Raj.
Good morning, sir.
I'll grab the far corner, you grab the... Should we do it from back to the front?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Your car, your key, sorry.
My key to the car. Palm's turned up as well.
Go on.
Yeah, Palm can do it.
Oh, get involved. Oh, well, I'm all right.
Ready?
Are you ready?
Where's Henry? Where's Henry? Henry, you ready? I guess this is it. Wow, amazing. Still can't believe it's mine. And until I think I drive it back to Hayes, it still feels extremely surreal. Wow. So yeah, officially, there you go. It's registered to me. Same number plate I had on my 991 GT3. First impressions is it looks so much bigger, but it's not, because Richie's already told us it's not.
It's not. The front wheel track is wider, but as far as the overall dimensions are concerned, it's the same. So,
the wheel's a little bit bigger, and I think that gives an idea of scale. It feels bigger, but it's not. Yes, I know. Gotta take it in. Gotta take it in. I'm super chuffed with the colour choice. I'd originally chosen lava orange. I would have liked PTS, but my slot wasn't a PTS slot. PTS is paint to sample, so I wasn't allocated a PTS slot. So I went with one of the, had to choose one of the colours on the palette, and having my KN Coupe Turbo, which myself and David spec'd about 18 months ago, 2 years ago. 2 years ago, that's in crayon. I think it was a no-brainer just to get this in crayon as well, and they'll sit really well next to each other. Love the carbon accents as well, the roof and the mirrors. Yeah, so guys, first impressions, what do you think? Drop a comment below. Shall we open it up?
absolutely.
Funky door handles. Seats are the same.
Yeah.
Seating position is the same, but obviously the whole instrument cluster and the layout, the gear stick, the steering wheel, the display is so different. Again, a lovely place to be. Just sitting in here now. Love a new car smell as well. Full tank of fuel as well, thank you.
Absolutely.
Still can't believe it's mine, but I think it is slowly sinking in. David's explained all the controls, the infotainment system, CarPlay and so on. Most of it I'm familiar with. There's a few extra cool features. With the axle lift, it's got axle lift memory. So David's explained, if I get to an area such as work in Hayes, if I'm pulling into the car park, I press the axle lift button to raise the front. It'll ask me if I want to save that location. When I hit save, it'll remember next time, so I don't need to press axle lift. As soon as I pull into work, it'll automatically lift the front nose. Very clever.
You do need to be doing under 30.
Under 30, yeah, it's speed limit. I always adhere to speed limits. As I've said in my previous videos, it's Palm that doesn't adhere to speed limits. Lights. PDLS, is it?
These are the Matrix ones.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are the best lights you can get. So.
Having a chat with David, and we're talking about servicing and running in. So running in miles is about 950 miles, according to David. And some people bring the cars back to do an oil change, some don't. It depends if you're going to track it or drive it hard. I think what I'll do, David, is I'll come back in about a month or so once I've done the 950 miles, and we'll drop it in for service, and then we'll go through the spec for the GT3 RS and choose the colour and everything and get the PTS slot. So yeah, I'll be back in a month. I don't know why he's laughing, because I'm serious.
Uncontrollably.
A lovely present by Tina. Nice bottle of champagne, I understand. Okay, I'll open that probably this evening. So we've got a car event tomorrow at work. I don't think I'll be coming to work. Jason, sorry, I'm going to be drinking this. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
It's
thank
been
you.
a pleasure.
A massive spec list. Forgotten how many boxes I ticked when I spec'd the car originally. I more or less ticked whatever option I could. One option that I did tick and was not available was ceramics. So yes, unfortunately I don't have ceramics. There's no supply of ceramics, shortage, and apparently only cars that have ceramics from factory, such as the 992 Turbo S's, are supplied with ceramics. So that option wasn't available to me. Am I going to track the car? Probably not, maybe once. So I'm not too bothered. If I need ceramics, I can always buy them and retrofit them. So let's go through some of the specs. Obviously it's in crayon, as you can see, with the carbon roof, all important carbon roof, which I think breaks up the color on the outside, otherwise it's a lot of crayon. And you've got the carbon covers on the mirrors, LED main headlights, which again I've just shown you. Externally I've gone for the little GT3 emblem on the side just to break it up. Some people at work don't like it. I want it just to break the car up, otherwise it's just a lot of crayon. Internally we got the full Club Sport package with the bucket seats and obviously the cage. I've gone for crayon stitching, so just like a contrast stitch to break up the interior, and obviously on the dash you can all broken up with crayon stitching, and wherever possible I've gone for carbon fiber and Alcantara. So you've got carbon fiber on the dash, on the center, you've got carbon fiber here. Infotainment system, we've got the CarPlay Bose upgrade. The Bose in my 991 GT3 was absolutely fantastic, and for what you pay for it, it's a no-brainer just to take that cost option. We've got the Chrono Pack, which is there, the clock. Now I've broken that up with some little bit of red inside the car. So on the outside I've got the red brake calipers, so I thought I'd follow that into the car, little bits and pieces here as part of the spec list, but I don't need to go into all of that. I think it's time we left Porsche and headed back to Cass in Hayes. See you in a few seconds. Right, it is time to head to Hayes. David,
Drive safe.
thank you very much.
Thank you very much for your business.
Appreciate you helping me get allocation of the GT3 and helping me spec it. I'm just chuffed to bits. I think I've gone spot on with my specs. Just want to start enjoying it now.
Absolutely.
So I will see you soon at some point. Thanks again.
Cheers. Thank you.
Pdk Gearbox. Let's drop it into manual mode and see what difference that makes. In fact, there's a 992 GT3 just over my right shoulder here going past. That's pretty cool. So yeah, manual mode, drop it down a few gears. A little bit more noise coming from the back. And then obviously you've got that true element of that GT3 intoxicating exhaust note that you get. Obviously I can't redline this car because I'm still running it in, so I've got to be very, very careful of that. So in fact, this is with the exhaust valves closed. So that noise is with the exhaust valves closed. So there's a diamond shaped button on the steering wheel, which is like a memory button. You can program that to do whatever you want, radio stations and so on. We've programmed that to open the exhaust valves. So, oh yes. That's a lot more musical. Most definitely does open up that exhaust noise. That does sound different. That does sound totally different. Wow, I could keep doing that all day long. So what are the next steps? Well, it's going to have a Thinkware front and rear dash cam fitted straight away when it gets to Hayes, a bit more added security, and then it's booked in with a very well-known vehicle wrapping stroke PPF company based in Enfield. Now I'm not wrapping the car, but I will be PPFing the whole car, so paint protection film all over the car. Prior to that, I've got Bally, a friend of mine called Bally, who's coming over tomorrow, I believe, to just give the car a light polish, just to take away any swirl marks that are in the paint. I don't think there are, but just to ensure that before it goes to PPF, it is super clean and swirl free. And then at least I can open it up a little bit and drive it, knowing that if I do get a stone chip, I actually haven't damaged the paint. Guys, I'm super excited. As you can hear in my voice, this smile is gonna stay on my face for a little while. Even when I'm sitting at work, trying to do some work, I'm gonna be thinking about the car. Any questions, any comments you have, drop them down below. We'll do our best to answer them. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you share, and make sure you have subscribed to the channel so we can keep bringing you some awesome content. So I'm just going to put it into manual mode, drop it down a few gears, exhaust. See you soon, guys.